This is the consonant blend SM. Each letter says its own sound, but we blend them together when we read words. Ready? S says S, S, S. And M says M, M, M. Let's tap and stretch them together. S, M. Tap and stretch. S, M. Good. Let's see if we can make some words with that, okay? Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Smog. Tap and stretch. Smog. Say it fast. Smog. Say it fast. Smog. Smog is like dust and dirt in the air, in the clouds. Smog. All right, let's tap and stretch this word. Are you ready? Smug. Tap and stretch. Smug. Say it fast. Smug. Say it fast. Smug. Smug is to be proud, like you have a smug look on your face, right? And those are words that we made with consonant blend SM. Good work.